What's up guys, it's me again Chat and welcome back to my channel. It seems like there are endless supplies to design websites that boast that they're more affordable than Photoshop but still promise the same editing and design capabilities. But the question is, do they all measure up? Here are my findings on 4 different graphic design tools that will help you find what might work best for your business and help you slay the design game on a budget. So watch till the end of this video because I also have some bonus tips. And if you happen to know some other alternative, please leave in the comments below so we all know what to try next. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and smash that button ASAP. And if you have already, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Oh, and if you're new to my channel, welcome and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified when I post these kinds of videos. Alright, let's dive in. Depending on your needs, may it be personal or business, each of these platforms offers their own advantages and disadvantages. And we'll look at it in a bit. It really depends on what designs you're planning on making, how many, if you want team sharing capabilities, and the variety of editing tools you want to be able to access. Now let's look at these platforms and see what made them stand out from the others. If you're looking into the cheapest option, Canva's free account will allow you to use their free templates and graphics. Upload your own photos and download your designs. It's basic, but if these are all you need, it will always be free, not just a free trial. Personally, I like the interface of Canva. The paid account is extremely organized, which is ideal if you have a team. You can create folders, set up your brand fonts, color palettes, upload your logo to have everything ready to go at your fingertips. There are a ton of templates in varying media sizes if you need some inspiration. By the way, color palettes and uploading of logo are also in the free account. Next would be PicMonkey. The editing tools in PicMonkey are expansive and similar to Photoshop, like the airbrush, blemish fix, red eye remover, teeth whitener, etc. The available effects for photos and fonts are also amazing and quite impressive. PicMonkey has tons of filters and effects for text, including clipping masks. Another one is Stencil. Stencil seems to be the most basic platform but gives off a more professional vibe. If you want a professional put together minimal designs, then this could be just what your business needs. Stencil's also integrated with buffers, so if you're looking to simplify all your marketing, then this is handy. You can automate your posting and schedule your social media posts straight from Stencil. Next is Easel. Easel has some decent amount of effects and filters, and it seems like a better fit for someone who is creative and loves to be on trend. The platform's unique aspect is the ability to create exclusive templates that your team can use, with the option to lock certain layers to ensure what you want edited is the only thing capable of changing. So here's a quick comparison. For free at basic account, only PicMonkey charges $7.99 a month. For pro account, Canva charges $12.95 per month. PicMonkey, $12.99 monthly. Stencil, it's $9 monthly if you paid annually. Easel, it's $7.50 monthly. And they all have unlimited storage for designs. Stencil doesn't seem to have unlimited downloads, and you have to pay for it. All of these 4 alternatives have access to templates and elements or graphics, as well as social media templates. For photo retouching tools, Canva doesn't have it. Stencil and Easel doesn't have it. They don't have it either, so only PicMonkey. Photo filter effects, all of them have it. Mobile apps, only Canva and PicMonkey have it. Auto resizing, they all have it. Brand kit, PicMonkey and Stencil, they don't have it. For GIF making capabilities, only Canva and Easel have it. And tutorials, they all have it except Stencil. Now here's the bonus tip. Here are some of the few mobile apps for editing, planning, and posting on the go. First is Unfold. With this app, you can create simple and modern Instagram stories. Simply download your favorite pics to your phone, then using the Unfold app, you can add texts and photo collages for your stories. Next is Later and Planoly. Sync up your Instagram account and visually plan out your feed. See the bigger picture of what your feed will look like ahead of time. Next is a Color Story, a cool filter and editing app for iPhone. You can create visual consistency to your feed by using filters to your images, plus you can save your editing steps for easy editing on the fly. Another one is Smart Hash, a hashtag tool for Instagram. Never know what hashtags will actually perform the best for your brand? Nah, use this app. You can search popular hashtags suitable for your business and create sets of hashtags, save them, and have them ready to post for all your different topics. And there you have it. I hope this video offered a helping starting point. You know your business better than anyone. Try each platform and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Also, if you know other graphic design apps or platforms, please share it in the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, please smash the like and subscribe button. And to get loads of printables, templates, stickers, digital downloads, head on to my Patreon and be a part of the family. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!